हेलो एवरीवन। बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया के पार्ट फर्स्ट में हमने आपको व्हाट इज़ बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया, उसकी हिस्ट्री के बारे में बताया था कि कब स्टार्ट हुआ था बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया। उसके बाद हमने उसका थोड़ा सा रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन भी देखा था, किस तरह से बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया का ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ था। फिर मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या थे बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया के, ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के बारे में बताया आपको, और उसके बाद उसकी मेन एक्टिविटीज़ क्या क्या होती हैं वो आपको हमने बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया के फर्स्ट पार्ट में बताया। उसी को कंटिन्यू करते हुए नेक्स्ट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ बॉटनिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया। द डायरेक्टरेट इज द सर्वे ऑफ लोकेटेड एट द इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन हावड़ा एंड इज हेडेड बाय अ डायरेक्टर. He is assisted by a joint director, a deputy director, a senior administrative officer and a senior scientist in charge of various division. तो scientific in organized botanical survey of India, the scientific, technical and administrative units are developed, and the scientific units runs the flora, ecology, cryptograms, plant chemistry and pharmacogony. जो टेक्निकल यूनिट थी वो पब्लिकेशन, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन, लाइब्रेरी, ड्राइंग एंड फोटोग्राफी के वर्क के साथ में अटैच, एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जो यूनिट थी वर्क ऑन एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, अकाउंट्स, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, स्टोर एंड सिक्योरिटी. बिसाइड द डायरेक्टरेट देयर आर सेंट्रल बॉटनिकल लेबोरेटरी, सेंट्रल नेशनल हर्बेरियम and Indian Botanical Garden at Howrah. Industrial section Indian Museum is located at Calcutta. In the Botanical Survey of India, there are 9 regional circles were established. Field station function for the following centers, each under the charge of a senior scientist for major circle and junior scientist for smaller circle या field station. And the 9 regional circles are Southern Circle, Coimbatore; Northern Circle, Dehradun; Eastern Circle, Shillong; Western Circle, Pune; Central Circle, Allahabad; Arid Zone Circle, Jodhpur; Andaman and Nicobar Circle, Port Blair; Sikkim Himalaya Circle, Gangtok; and Arunachal Field Station, New Itanagar. These are the 9 regional circles. Other division of the headquarter office are ecology, cryptogamic botany, plant chemistry, pharmacogony, flora wing, publication, documentation, technical, each under the charge of a senior scientist. तो BSI में 9 जो सर्कल बने, इसके अलावा और भी कई डिविजन्स बनाए गए थे फॉर द स्टडी ऑफ डिफरेंट फील्ड. The annual program of work and botanical exploration are planned in consultation with the regional offices. The Central Botanical Laboratory, Howrah. The Central Botanical Laboratory came into existence on April 13, 1954. It conducts research on various disciplines of botany with cytology, economic botany, and plant physiology as 3 major sections. This Central National Herbarium is India's largest herbarium with about 15 lakh specimens. There is a large collection of icons, of which are 2583 hand colored illustration forming the Roxburgh icons टेक द प्राइड ऑफ प्लेसेस. आइकन्स के बारे में पहले भी आपको बताया था. यहाँ पे जो सेंट्रल नेशनल हर्बेरियम बना है वहाँ पे बहुत सारे हैंड कलर्ड आइकन्स बने हुए हैं. आइकन्स क्या है? इट इज अ डायग्राम ऑफ प्लांट विच शोज द ईच एंड एवरी कैरेक्टर ऑफ प्लांट इंक्लूडिंग हेयर, स्पाइन्स एक्सेट्रा. इट वॉज फाउंडेड बाय विलियम रॉक्सबर्ग हु स्टार्टेड इट न्यूक्लियस इन 1793 in the East India Company's Botanical Garden at Shivpur. After that, the herbarium was transferred to the Botanical Survey in 1957 for development into National Herbarium on modern lines. It has several regional herbaria to facilitate easy and quick identification of plant, and the specimen are arranged according to Bentham and Hooker system of classification. जो सबसे largest herbarium है इंडिया में, उसमें जो प्लांट्स का अरेंजमेंट है वो बेंथम और हुकर के क्लासिफिकेशन पर बेस्ड है, जेनेरा प्लांटरम में, जिसको पूरा का पूरा डिस्क्राइब किया गया है. 8000 टाइप स्पेसिमेन which are known as original authentic specimen on which original description of new plant are based have been segregated and kept in specially safe condition. Flora of India is a major project of the survey which will be based chiefly on these collections for presenting an inventory of the plant wealth of the country. A palynology unit is attached to the herbarium, study of pollen grains. इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन हावड़ा, उसका क्या मेन रोल है? द इंडियन बॉटनिकल गार्डन, इट इज इन बाइसेंटेनरी ईयर, स्टार्टेड बाय रॉबर्ट काइड इन 1787, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड बाय विलियम रॉक्सबर्ग एंड डेवलप्ड बाय Nathaniel Wallich. And the garden occupies an area of 110 hectares on the bank of river Hooghly. And this Indian Botanical Garden has nearly 12,000 live specimens, including a large collection of bamboos, cycad and palms. It has 2 large greenhouses, several nurseries, and special collection of bougainvillea, vitis, jasminum and nymphea. The giant water lilies like Victoria amazonica and Victoria cruziana are conspicuous in some of the garden ponds. And the specific feature of this Indian Botanical Garden is the great banyan tree with its large spread and over 1,000 prop roots looking like a forest in itself is a famous landmark of this largest botanical garden, Howrah. After that, the next regional circle, Northern Circle. The Northern Circle was established in 1956 at Dehradun. It includes the state of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi and 24 districts of Uttar Pradesh covering the hilly areas. And there are 65,000 specimens representing about 5,000 species, mostly from the poorly explored northwest Himalaya areas, and 14 type specimen in the herbarium. Eastern Circle, Shillong. It was established in 1956 at Shillong. The circle covers the state of Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, which are northeastern part. The circle is headed by a deputy director. The circle has the National Orchidarium at Shillong and experimental garden at Barabani. And this regional herbarium has at present 1,15,000 specimens. The establishment of a national orchidarium at Shillong in 1961 was another landmark of the circle. At present, it houses 4,000 rare and interesting orchids of the eastern Himalaya. तो मेन जो उसका लैंडमार्क है वो है नेशनल ऑर्किडेरियम, जो कि शिलोंग के अंदर एस्टेब्लिश हुआ था 1961 के अंदर. सदर्न सर्कल कोयम्बटूर में, इट वॉज एस्टेब्लिश्ड इन 1955 and this comprises the state of Andhra Pradesh, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The old Madras herbarium with nearly 90,000 valuable collection of gambol, fishers, etc. on the flora of Madras Presidency was transferred to this circle in 1957. There are about 1,90,000 specimens including 1,608 type specimen. The assessment of the importance and significance of the flora and vegetation of the Silent Valley, Kerala was made by the scientists of the circle. After that, the Western Circle, which is in Pune, and it established in 1956. It covers the state of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Union territories of Goa and different Iceland. The old collection of cookies and talbot from the Agricultural College Pune were transferred to this herbarium in 1956, which consists of about 13,500 specimen and 474 type specimen. The regional herbarium has now 1,25,000 specimen of different plant species. The flora of Goa, Daman Diu and Nagar Haveli had a checklist of vascular plant of Gujarat state are some of the major scientific contribution of this circle. Central Circle, which is located in Allahabad, and it was established in 1962. This covered the state of MP and the plain district of Uttar Pradesh. The herbarium has a collection of about 50,000 specimen. Studies on the district flora of Durg, Raipur, Ranjangaon, Damoh and Bilaspur have been completed, and work on other districts of Madhya Pradesh is in progress. The next is Arid Zone Circle, Jodhpur, Rajasthan. And this circle of Botanical Survey of India was set up in 1972 to study the flora and vegetation of the region, which are by and large arid area. The area include the entire state of Rajasthan, district of Bhatinda and Firozpur of Punjab, district of Hisar, Mahendragarh and Gurgaon of Haryana, Delhi Ridge, districts of Mathura, Agra and Jhansi of Uttar Pradesh, district of Morena, Bhind, Gwalior, Datia, Shivpuri, Guna, Mandsaur, Ratlam and Jhabua of Madhya Pradesh, and district of Kutch, Banaskantha, Mehsana, Sabarkantha, Ahmedabad and all the district of Saurashtra from Gujarat. So its arid zone circle Jodhpur, Rajasthan include the many district and different states. It is headed by a regional botanist. The herbarium has about 10,000 specimen. And the flora of Rajasthan, district flora of Tonk and Banswara, flora of Tonk and Banswara, flora of Agra district and biodiversity of Desert National Park of Rajasthan have been published by the Arid Zone Circle, Jodhpur. After that, Andaman and Nicobar Circle, which is established in Port Blair in 1972. The herbarium has now 20,000 specimen. Exploration were conducted in different islands of Andaman and Nicobar and Great Nicobar Island of Nicobars. 2 genera and a number of new species record have been described by this circle. And the last one is Sikkim Himalaya Circle, Gangtok. Sikkim Himalaya Circle was established in 1979 at Gangtok to explore and study the rich vegetation and flora of Sikkim and adjacent area. And this herbarium has now 5,000 specimen. And last one is Arunachal Field Station, Itanagar. A field station at New Itanagar was started in 1977 to study the unexplored area of northeastern area. And this herbarium of Arunachal Field Station has about 9,000 specimen. So the Botanical Survey of India have 9 regional different circle which cover the entire country, and it is a government organization work to study the plant, their conservation, how to conserve the important and economically, medicinally important plant. Thank you.